Okay, I need that talking in the background to please stop. Ma'am, you asked for treatment, so why did you ask for treatment?
Jail.
I'm sorry?
To not have jail time.
Oh, that's what I thought.
I don't know. Just things I've been drinking a lot of water. There's just a lot of things I wasn't doing before that, like I've been doing since I've been in here.
Yes, no, man, you're not getting probation, I can tell you that much.
Is there any way I could get treatment?
And you told this court you don't need treatment.
Okay,
No, you told this court the only reason you said that is because you don't want to do the jail time.
I think I need treatment.
Ma'am, you were very clear. You've been to treatment 7 times and you don't need treatment anymore.
No, I do.
You know how to work the program.
No, I got.
All right, guys. Today, we've got a wild courtroom moment. A defendant insisting she doesn't need treatment for her drug addiction. But just wait until you see how this plays out. By the end of the hearing, the judge hands down a lengthy sentence, and suddenly she's begging for the treatment she swore she didn't need. This case is intense, dramatic, and honestly, pretty entertaining to watch. Let me know what you think about her little performance. And if you enjoy content like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's dive in.
Anybody promised you anything, threatened you, or coerced you in any way for you to enter into a plea?
No.
All right, counsel, you can please pardon your client.
Yes, I'd like to direct your attention to June 15th, 2023 and June 22nd, 2003. Did you fail to appear for a probationary instruction?
Yes.
And additionally, while on probation, you did accrue a new charge, correct?
Yes.
Satisfied, Your Honor.
The court is also satisfied the plea is knowing, voluntary, factually accurate. The court will accept your plea to the probation violations. Enter a plea of guilty based upon your, enter a probation violation based upon your plea of guilty, and that would be technical violations 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And counsel?
Your Honor, I saw the recommendation for 60 days jail. I asked that my client get credit for the time that she's been in since December 1st. I'd ask that it run concurrent with the admonishment that she's received from the charge that she just took a plea on. And then furthermore, she did ask that during this time in custody, if possible, she would like the opportunity to be tethered to treatment. Thank you, Judge.
All right, Ms. Bolchak, did you request to be tethered to treatment while you've been on bond?
Yes, just to try to have time. I mean, I don't think I personally need treatment, but I know that was something that I asked for when I first got arrested. So I'll do the days. I'll do whatever it takes, but I really just want to get home.
Okay, ma'am. Let me ask you a couple questions. Number one, if you don't think you need treatment, why did you ask to go to treatment?
I was trying to have like the days made up. I don't know if I don't really know. Because
ma'am, you asked for treatment. So why did you ask for treatment?
Jail.
I'm sorry?
To not have jail time.
Oh, that's what I thought. Okay. So, and you don't think you need treatment. Given what's been going on with you the last year, you don't think you need treatment?
Honestly, no. I really found myself in here. I've been spending time with myself. I don't know. I don't feel like I need a guy or anything. I don't know. I just want to get going on life.
Well, man, the way you've been going on life, not a great start. How old are you?
25.
25. And now you have 3 drug-related convictions. 3. Your under advisement status is revoked. You had an opportunity to not have your possession charge on your record, and you didn't do a darn thing with probation. Not at all. You're just ghosted.
I don't know about you guys, but the tension in this courtroom is palpable. And honestly, I don't blame the judge for what she's about to do. Let's break it down. This defendant was arrested on drug charges, which is already serious since possession or use of controlled substances can carry hefty penalties, depending on the state. But instead of jail time, she was given probation, which, let's be real, is a privilege, not a right. It was the court's way of saying, here's your chance to prove yourself. And what did she do with it? Nothing. They sent her to treatment, which judges often mandate because drug courts focus on rehabilitation over punishment. But now, after failing both probation and treatment, she's in court trying to bargain with the judge. If I were the judge, I'd seriously consider a harsh sentence because, at some point, the system has to prioritize public safety over giving endless chances. What do you guys think about her situation so far? Let's dive back in.
I know. If I get probation this time, I told myself, like, it would be at least 6 months. That's all I would really need to get like clean. And, by summertime, I'd be, working. I really want to get a car. But aside from the job thing, just, I want to draw and make music. And I don't know. I just want to do things for myself. And I like coffee again. I don't know, just things I've been drinking a lot of water. There's just a lot of things I wasn't doing before that, like, I've been doing since I've been in here.
Oh yeah, she's been drinking water. Let her back out on the streets. She's definitely ready to change her life now.
So I haven't been.
Ma'am, part of the concern, right, is when you get out, how are you going to continue to do stuff, right? That's part of what treatment is, and you don't think you need treatment. So
I've been to court 7 times. I've been to treatment like 7 times. I don't know. I know how to work the program. I know to go to a meeting when I need to. I know there's just different times. I know.
So you go through the motion. You go through the motions. So you just go through the motions. You don't really receive what it is that you're getting.
I really think I've learned a different way. I've been incarcerated this time, ma'am. I don't know. It feels different. It feels really different. I'm here's what for any probation that you need me to. But,
Judge, we're ready to hear the sentencing. We are ready to proceed, Judge.
Yes, no, man, you're not getting probation. I can tell you that much. The court's going to, on 23405, the court's going to adopt the recommendation, revoke probation, close the case without improvement, $50 probation violation fee, 60 days jail. On 23739, the court's going to adopt the recommendation. Your under advisement status is revoked, your probation is revoked, $50 probation violation fee, 60 days jail. The court will know that will be served concurrent. And then the court's going to also order on 232479, the court's going to order 93 days jail. Credit for your 15 days. That's consecutive with 23739 and 23405.
If you look at my record, you see.
And the court will suspend your fines and costs on this matter.
What?
Any questions, counsel?
No, Your Honor.
Any questions, ma'am?
So, how many days?
Well, 60 on your probation violations plus 93 plus 15. So that's going to be, I can tell you exactly what that is, ma'am.
They only been walking. I'm telling you.
Is there any way I could do treatment?
138 days.
Is there any way I could do treatment?
My other officer.
Yeah, you told this court you don't need treatment.
Okay,
No, you told this court the only reason you said that is because you didn't want to do the jail time.
no, that's
So
not.
you can do the jail time.
Ma'am, I'll do treatment.
And quite frankly, ma'am, with your lengthy warrant status and you're absconding from probation, I'm not sure that you would not abscond from your treatment.
This has to be one of the most ridiculous court hearings I've seen in a while. This defendant is completely delusional. Like, what did she think was going to happen? The judge already gave her a break with probation and she did absolutely nothing with it. Then she sits there claiming she doesn't want treatment, which is basically asking for jail time. At that point, the judge had no other choice. Honestly, even the sentence she got might not be enough. She could have gotten even more time for lying to the court. It's like she thinks probation is some kind of free pass when in reality, it's a legal agreement with clear conditions, and she's treating it like it's optional. At this point, the judge probably feels more like a babysitter dealing with a kid who refuses to listen. Let me know what you guys think about this sentencing. Did she get what she deserved? Let's dive back into this mess.
Ma'am, I can't do 130 days.
Yeah, you said you didn't need treatment.
I do.
The problem was, when I went to sheriff, I got the people over.
I need help with housing when I get out of here. I'm gonna need.
I'm sorry?
I need help with housing when I leave here. I have my.
Okay, I need that talking in the background to please stop.
Somebody in.
My court recorders indicated our record is a mess because of all the talking in the background. And what was that, Ms. Bolchak?
Hey, I really don't. I think I need treatment instead.
Ma'am, you were very clear. You've been to treatment 7 times and you don't need treatment anymore.
No, I do.
You know how to work the program.
No, I got a little ahead of myself. That's what I asked for when I first came in. Because I do have a drug.
Judge, potentially, Judge, I know that potentially she might be asking for some sort of mental health treatment, but I understand this docket does need to be moved along. So if necessary, we have to have the matter recalled later in the morning to potentially have it reevaluated. But I understand the docket does need to move along, Your Honor. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Ms. Bolchak, I'm not ordering treatment for you at this point because you stated that you don't need treatment and you only asked for it so that you didn't have to do jail time. Given that and the fact that you had absconded from probation with this court, the court is concerned that you're not going to abscond from treatment. So at this point, 138 days is what you're going to serve me.
Guy, really? I can't do 130 days.
Yeah.
Well, you said you didn't need treatment. Boom. Just like that, the judge hit her with 138 days behind bars. And honestly, I think the judge got it exactly right. Sure, 138 days might sound like a lot for just a few drug charges, but let's not forget, she completely ghosted probation. That was her second chance, handed to her on a silver platter, and she blew it. What was the judge supposed to do? Let her walk again? Yeah, I don't think so. Actions have consequences, and this sentencing feels like the right balance between holding her accountable and giving her some time to actually reflect on her choices. Who knows? Maybe this will be the wake-up call she needs. But let's be real, she's full of excuses. Acting completely childish and refusing to take responsibility. Instead of owning up to her mistakes, she's just trying to talk her way out of it. But hey, that's just my take. What do you guys think? Was the sentence fair? Or was it overkill? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you love wild courtroom moments like this, hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.